I've been looking for perfect lighting, a perfect lighting. I'm using the natural light. Hi and welcome back to another video in this channel. My name is M Makwata, and if you're seeing my face for the very first time, it means you're a visitor in this channel. Ensure you subscribe, you like, and comment something good in this video. Recently, someone told me that I talk a lot before I start my videos. But by talking, I've already started my video. Anyway, okay. Just comment. I read your comments. My comments are normally very few. I encourage more comments. So today, I want to make mini muffins. Mini buns, not even muffins, mini buns for breakfast. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going right into the video. I'm taking this intro in my dining because there's some preparation being done in the kitchen before I get there. So I hope you enjoy the video. And so the ingredients that will go into our buns, we have EXC all-purpose, flour, margarine, some margarine, cardamom, spice. I still don't have vanilla, but I guess I'm buying vanilla today. And sugar, of course, for sweetening, and some eggs. What is missing in this mix is baking powder. Let me just get it and show you. Yes, here is our baking powder. It is also going into the mix. So let me get to the mixing. So this is our mixing bowl. This is what we are going to use. I've positioned you somewhere so that you're able to see. So I'll start with our margarine before I do the flour. So I've tried to melt margarine. I hope this thing is not so hot. Let me use something to hold. Okay, this is our margarine. I've melted it a bit, and I'm putting it into the bowl right away. I hope you can see well. In the past, I've taken videos, then I find that I was talking and you are not positioned to see. So I'm putting in about 3 glasses of flour, 3 tumblers of flour. I'm using this container to measure my flour. I'll show you once I've my stand has issues, so that's why I can't be able to show you everything. So this is one. This is the second one. The third one, I'll make the third one a little bit full than the second one so that it covers for it. So I have my 3 tumblers of flour inside. Okay, the other thing that I didn't introduce to you and I might use is water. So at that point when I'll be using it, I'll show you. So into this, I'll add our cardamom just to finish up with it. So I'm adding in this amount of cardamom. This is a teaspoon. So I've added it in, and sugar. I'll add in sugar, that amount of sugar. I'll also add in our baking powder. This mixture today, I've not treated it the way I normally treat it, so I hope it will still come out nicely. So let's see. This is a very new recipe mixture even for myself. So let's see how it will turn out. So I'm mixing before I add in the eggs. I'll mix, and after I'll mix, and after I'm done with the proper mixing, I'll come back so that we see the mixture together. So this is the way our mixture looks like. I've been able to mix it for about 1 minute using this mixer. So the next thing I want to add it, normally, let me just break it down so that you get to understand what I was saying. So normally, how I mix it, I normally start with the sugar and the margarine. Then I now mix in my flour and all the dry ingredients. But today, I've mixed the dry ingredients and some of the wet ingredients. What is lacking is the egg, which I am just about to mix right now. So today I've done it a bit differently, and I'm hoping for the same or even a better result. Let us see how they will turn out. So I'm mixing in the egg just now. So I have 4 eggs here. I hope you're with me. I have 4 eggs here. So I just want to mix in my egg. Sorry for that. My phone fell. So for me to have a clear view, I have to keep on checking and ensuring I don't leave you. Otherwise, I'll be talking and you're in a blurry kind of focus. Let me see if the focus is right. Okay. I guess that focus is good. So let's add in the egg. Here is our 1 egg. I'm adding in 1 egg. And I'll beat the egg, then add in some water. I don't want to also add in so many eggs, because I don't have vanilla essence. Vanilla tends to finish the egg smell, if you get me. So cardamom also finishes. I remember the last cake I made, it was very nice. If you've not checked that video out, kindly check it out. I did a cardamom cake. These are mini cardamom buns. So let's make them. So it is time to add in some water. Let me bring water so that we add in. I'm just adding in room temperature water. Here is our water. It's a lot. It's about 3/4 to full, this cup. But I'm not adding in the whole amount. Let me add with you. I'll show you the remainder once I'm done. So I've mixed in. I didn't add in much, as you can see. It's not so much. I wish I used a glass. It would have been clearer, but I'm sure you've been able to see. So this is the way my mixture looks. And what I want to do is to mix it now, knead it with my hands. Then I'll cut them and Okay, I need not explain everything because I'm taking you along. So just follow. So what I want to do is simply do this, knead with my hands. I guess I still need to put in some little drop of water, just a little drop. Sometimes it's hard to measure how much water to put, but this one I can say it was a quarter glass of water because it wasn't much. So that's it. I want to put the dough on this surface. I hope you're able to see. Let me check you. Don't want to leave you behind today. So this is our dough. It is ready. And this is our pan where we'll bake most of it. I hope all of it will fit there. So I need a little bit of flour to just dust the surface so that I'm able to roll it out. So this is our flour, just a little bit. Let me bring the rolling beam. So we are rolling it out. I roll it out. And at this time, I'm going to also put my oven on so that it's ready for our baking. So our oven is on, ready for our baking. So I want to achieve a thickness that is about this size. I'm using my finger, about half of my, let me say about, I don't know, is it an inch or half an inch? I'll check and leave a comment. So they are mini buns because normally I cut using a very big cycle, a very big cup, but today I'm using this small glass to get small ones. So that's why I'm calling them mini buns, because they are smaller than the usual size that I normally make. So you can see the way I'm cutting. Normally I also love to cut my mandazis like this. So we are making mini buns today. Mini buns. So to make our pan ready, I'm applying margarine. Then I'll dust it to just make it ready. Let me ready it, then show you. So this is our pan. I'm using this brush, silicone brush, to spread the margarine all over the pan. I guess I have to now shop for my baking things. I love baking a lot. So I ran over vanilla very fast and the baking paper. So our pan is ready with margarine. Let me dust it. And to dust it, I'll just use a little bit of flour. about the same quantity as I used on our surface. So I'll just spread, then I spread it all over. So I guess we've dusted it and it's ready. So I'm arranging them on this pan, then they are ready to be baked. We'll come back and let me arrange, then I show you before I tell you our next step. So I still have a gap for 2 around here. So we'll come back and I'll show you after they are ready from the oven. So I want to fill this because I still have that dough. So I want to fill this space, and probably I'll use another pan or I'll do another round for this dough that is remaining right here. So let me fill this, then we come back and see the way our buns have turned out. So this is the final outcome of our mini buns. This is how they have turned out. I'm still baking the last batch, which has about 6 of them. So because I want to allow my family to take breakfast, I decided to share with you before I even finish the whole batch, so that I'll not refuse someone from taking. They are still cooling out. They are straight from the oven. The color is not coloring. Oh, the color is not coloring. The video, the pictures are not giving the vibe of these buns. They are so golden. They look so yummy. And I baked them. What I forgot to tell you is the degrees that I'll bake them at. I baked them at 180 for 20 minutes. So until my next video, bye for now.